Installing a zipper slider feels like it should be obvious. It's a tiny mechanism on a simple track, but the second one pops off, most people just toss the item or hide it in the back of a drawer. Wasteful and completely unnecessary. The truth is, replacing a zipper slider takes less than 10 minutes once you know what you're doing. There's no sewing required, no fancy tools, just a replacement slider, some pliers, and a little patience. I've fixed broken zippers on jackets, backpacks, jeans, even outdoor cushions that would have cost $100+ to replace. The most common pain point is assuming you need to replace the whole zipper. You don't. In 80% of cases, the teeth are fine. The issue is just a busted or missing slider. That's like replacing your whole garage door because the handle broke. Step 1 is identifying your zipper type and size. Look at the back of the original slider. There's usually a number like 5 or 8. That's your zipper gauge. Matching the size is non-negotiable here. The wrong size slider won't grip the teeth properly, and you'll just rage quit. If you've totally lost your original slider or the number is worn off, measure the width of the zipper teeth when it's zipped shut. A size 5 zipper is typically around 5 millimeters wide. Keep in mind, nylon zippers flex, metal ones don't. Buy accordingly. Now it's time to remove the zipper stopper. This is that little metal or plastic tab at the top of the zipper track. Use needle nose pliers to gently pry it off. Don't cut the fabric. The stopper is almost always salvageable and you'll reuse it later. Once the stopper is off, slide off the old slider if it's still there, then check the track. Are the teeth bent? Are threads clogging the path? Run your finger and make sure it's smooth. Debris here can jam up a brand new slider before you even begin. Grab your replacement slider and orient it correctly. There's a top and bottom, always. If it has a locking mechanism, that tiny pull tab side faces forward. Slide it carefully onto the zipper track, pushing it onto both sides of the teeth at once. This is where most people mess up. If you don't get both sides of the track evenly into the slider opening, it'll zip awkwardly or pop right off again. It may take 2 or 3 tries to line it up evenly. That's completely normal. Once the slider is on and moving smoothly up and down, reattach the stopper. If yours broke during removal, use a needle and thread to make a few thick stitches across the open end. That acts as a zipper stopper just fine, especially on fabric or canvas. Pro tip: if your new slider feels stuck or hard to move, rub a small amount of soap or lip balm along the teeth. Instant smoothness. Silicone zipper lubricant works best, but you don't need to over-engineer it. We're fixing gear, not building a NASA satellite. Last thing, always keep a spare set of sliders and pliers around. I keep a $6 zipper repair kit in my garage, and it's saved me at least $200 in fixes over 2 years. Most people only learn how to do this after wasting money replacing stuff that could be rescued.